Prime Minister Andrew Holness is promising improvements in the fight against crime and garbage collection in the country soon. Mr. Holness said a lot of groundwork has been done on the two pressing issues. We have more in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
By affixing their signatures on these documents, members of the political directorate, trade unions and business community gave their commitment to continue to work together to try and achieve security, justice, as well as better employment and education opportunities for the Jamaican people. The signing exercise took place at King's House and is the third of its kind under the Social Partnership Program. It will cover the period 2022 to 2026.
The partnership process suffered during the pandemic, and I want to thank the members of the partnership for understanding. I'm seeing various partnership members here, and I want to personally and publicly thank you for being understanding, for being patient, and for being committed to the process. We weren't able to meet sometimes for an extended period. We met online, and it was sometimes very difficult to conduct those online meetings, but members stuck with it, and the partnership survived.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the Social Partnership Group accepts that crime is the biggest problem in the country and they're working on solutions, some of which have come through legislative changes.
I think we are making progress, slow progress, but progress nonetheless, in treating with the issue of peace. I think the passing of the new firearm legislation is an important step in the right direction. Very soon, we will be bringing to Parliament the Bail Act.
Turning to another national problem, garbage collection, Mr. Holness asked Jamaicans to hold strain a little longer with the backlog. He explained that budgetary constraints prevented investments in garbage collection at the peak of the pandemic. But the administration has since been able to make some progress to alleviate the crisis.
We have 50 garbage trucks coming. I saw the pictures of them. They are being shipped from the production source in, I believe it is, well, I won't say the country where they're coming from, but they're being shipped from the production source. It will take 40 days to get here, a few more days to clear, and a few more days to get into our garbage collection processes here.
Opposition leader Mark Golding, in the meantime, said he's committed to working with the Andrew Holness-led administration on national issues. Therefore, his criticisms of the administration are just to help keep the government accountable to the Jamaican people.
Criticism is not the same thing as undermining or destabilizing genuine effort to achieve progress. We are not going to engage in that. Where we're critical, it is because we see that as a necessary and responsible position for us to take on a particular point of principle. And that will be maintained.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.